I'm gonna try to see how this camera does on the dash. It's a lot heavier than my other one. Oops, emergency brake. Seatbelt. Yeah, this camera is much heavier than my other one, so it's clear. Hopefully it does okay. Oops, shoot. It's kind of a dangerous spot right there. It's all these curves. Oh, it's holding on so far. We'll see though. I'm going to switch back to my other camera. It's just much lighter and easier to use. This one's heavier. Oh, I guess I should. Got the AC on. Well, that feels nice because it is getting warmer. Lake Britain. 15.1. I'm 10 something, so I'm good. MacArthur Burney State Park entrance right there. Pretty cool entrance. Elevation here is 3,000 feet. We're still on 89 South. I definitely do want to visit this 89 South again. Maybe when I go back up to Washington, this is the route I will take, because there seems like there's a lot of cool, really neat camping spots here. It's a beautiful area, so. And I've seen a lot of RVs and rigs. So, yeah, definitely want to check this area out. Oh. Looks like there'd be a bunch of cool trails as well. Ooh, elk crossing. And we're coming into Burney. You know, 158 miles. Oh, so this is the 299 intersection of 89. I think it was a four-way stop. Yeah. Hat Creek is 9 miles. Old Station 22. Lassen National Park is 35. Volcanic Legacy. It does look like this area is very volcanic. With their hills, a bunch of small volcanoes. About 150 miles to go. There is no internet here. There hasn't been for a little while. I've been trying to make some calls since it's a long road, but no, can't make any calls. I like to talk on the phone sometimes when I'm driving. It just makes the time fly by. Oh well. Both sides. There's cows everywhere. Moo. Moo moo. Look at the cows. We're here at Cassell. Well, Cassell's 3 miles to the left. Yeah, tons of cows. Hey, cows. So pretty through here. On the right hand side, past the trees.
I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never
farmland here. This is a really beautiful area to drive through. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to come back here and visit. I think we're getting back up into the hills and away from the farmland. Yeah, a lot more taller pine trees. Cedars and some maples. We've just entered the Hat Creek recreational area. Seems to be a lot of lava rock here. Yeah, this definitely reminds me of Flagstaff area. There was a recreational area back there that you could pull into, but it was closed. Ooh, oh no, black and white cows. No way, moo-moo. That's too cool. Moo. Let me not run off the road looking at the dang cows. Those are cool. They were black on the front and the back and had a white stripe. Oh, there's some over there too. That's weird. So cool. I've never seen cows like that. Elevation 4,000 feet. I've seen a few camping signs and all of the roads seem to be blocked off with the metal gates. I haven't seen any of them open. I did see a warning sign about smoke up ahead and it looks like, I don't know if there's a forest fire. It looks like we're driving into smoke. So I can barely see that, that hill or mountain on the left-hand side. Yeah, it does look like there's smoke in the air. Climb, climb, climb. I don't know if they're doing a pre-burn. I think that's what I saw. There was a campground back there, but it looked closed, but there was someone in there. We've got to turn here. Turn around and take a look.
Turn left onto California 44 East.
Gonna pull off here real quick. So it says we are 137 miles from Reno. Alright. Oh wow, we're 82 miles from Mount Shasta. Sorry, hold on. I just want to check this campsite out. You have to reroute me. Saw a camper there. Right here, it says overnight campground. It's called Cove. Then geological areas to the right, subway. Okay, not Cove. Oh no, it's not closed. Oh, there's quite a few people here. I'm gonna read the signs real quick.
Mile. Make a U-turn.
It says 14-day limit. No water shut off for winter. So it is shut off for winter. All generators will be turned off at 9 p.m. Pets must be on leash. Maybe we'll go walk around. There's a one right there, number 1. Please use parking area for day use. Do not block camping spurs. Oh, okay. It's a $10 daily fee for a single site. With Golden Age, it's only $5 and $5 per night for extra vehicles. Oh, I see. $10 sites, 1 through 16 and 30 will be available cave campground through the winter. On October 14th, the overnight camping fee will be changed to $10. It is $10. So, okay. Oh, I see, because it is after the 14th. But that is, I mean, it's a nice campground, but I think I'll just continue on. Well, since I'm trying to meet my friends and get further south, I think I will continue on. This is nice, though. I will keep this in mind for the next time I'm back, because $10 is not bad at all. So yeah, let's get back on the road. Okay, we're getting on 44 East, and actually we're only 136 miles to Reno, 51 miles to the next services. Still good on gas, 3/4 of a tank. Rest area is 23 miles. Yeah, look up ahead. You can definitely tell there is smoke in the sky. Probably wouldn't be fun to camp here anyways while this is going on. So when we were in Colorado, they had a fire and it wasn't pleasant breathing in that smoke. Passing lane 1 mile. It's like we are definitely climbing the mountain. I think we're going around to the other side of it. There's Mount Shasta way over there. So there was a viewpoint, so I turned. Wanted to see if I could find it, see what it looked like. Wow, the view is pretty from up here. There's Mount Shasta in the distance. There's 89, that's what I was just on, that road down there. And we climbed up. But yeah, as we get over here, I don't know if you can see it because the sun's so bright, but look at all the smoke. It's like really dense. So I'm not sure if that's a pre-burn or a forest fire. It's definitely a lot of smoke. Here's some information you can pause and read if you can actually see it. I'm not sure. And more information if you want to pause and read. Wow, it looks like the mountain exploded there. This was Lassen. Living on Lassen describes Hat Creek the night of May 19, 1915. Here's some info if you want to pause and read that. They've definitely had fires here before in the Hat Creek Valley. Room with a view. I guess they keep a watchful eye, so it might be that they're just doing some pre-burning, because I swear that's what the sign said. Here's some more information if you want to pause and read. Goodbye, Hat Creek Valley. It's a beautiful view. Bill's 40 miles. Junction 35 or 36 is 35 miles. Poison Lake. Oh, look at that field out there. It's a bad name for a lake. Poison Lake. Oh, that's a big wide field. You can just go run. Run and run. Good Lord, look how thick the smoke is over there. You can't even see the mountain. That sucks. So we just passed the rest area, but I didn't stop. Crater Lake was to the left about 7 miles. That's actually where it looks like the smoke is coming from. Is Crater Lake area. Yeah, there's the smoke right there. That's the way Crater Lake is. Wow, that's a big lake over there. Thought it was a small one, but I've been traveling several miles and it's still going. Oh, looks like somebody found a camp spot right there. What is this? Some kind of pull-off. It says McCoy Flat Reservoir. Oh, it's a reservoir. Okay. Looks like that's the end of it right there. I thought that was the same one, but the sign said that was Hog Flats Reservoir, so I think there's a different one.
Mile. Turn left onto California 36 East.
It's a weird looking building. We are getting ready to turn on 36 East. We're at 5,000 feet elevation. That's weird.
Turn left onto California 36 East.
And we have 92 miles to go till Reno. Ugh.
Continue for 86 miles.
Will do. Make sure it's clear. Oh my god, it's sun so bright I can't see nothing. Okay, I think it is. Okay. It seems like this leads all the way to Reno, because it says 85 miles, and then I need to get on US 95 or 395 business. So this basically leads all the way. Guess we're getting ready to go downhill. It's a brake check area. It says trucks use your low gears. It said truck speed limit was 35 miles an hour, huh? Trucks, 20 mile per hour curve, downtown area, 2 mile ahead. Huh. Diamond Mountain Casino. Got my tow haul on, so. Ooh, look at that valley, pretty. Guess we're coming out of the mountains. Well, there's still mountains ahead too.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
Definitely is an old looking town. Looks like they're trying to update the roads. Or they've already updated the roads. Oh, the Schwabs. That's a small one. To the left here at the light is the fairgrounds. Oops. Oh, there's a Walmart here. I should stop. There's fairgrounds. It has a dump and also camping, it said. That's what the sign said. Yeah, I guess I will pull into Walmart here. Take a little break. Oh, Jack in the Box. I am hungry. Looks like they're pretty RV friendly. There's quite a few here. Alright, I might actually just stop here since I only have less than 80 miles to go. Oh,
Head north
Look.
toward US 395 South.
they have RV parking. How cool. Oh, I need to trim that tree. It's scraping my roof. Alright. So my GPS actually says I have 85 miles to Reno. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do that or I'm just going to stay here because I'm not sure if the Walmart in Reno is RV friendly. I haven't really looked up any camping, and this seems to be pretty RV friendly. There are quite a few RVs here. So, yep, I might just stay here, and I know this has been a long video, but I appreciate y'all riding along with me today. So hopefully we see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Bye for now.